Regrettably, I've delved into an overwhelming sea of information and reviews on premature ejaculation online. It's disheartening to witness people squandering their hard-earned money on ineffective supplements and flashy gimmicks. However, amidst this chaos, the buzz around ejaculation on command has caught my attention. Even after scouring numerous reviews from various sources, doubts linger about this program. Many individuals form opinions without experiencing the program firsthand, often neglecting crucial details. Having personally read and tested this product, I believe I can address your inquiries comprehensively. This review aims to encompass as much information as possible. We'll commence by shedding light on the program, delving into its strengths and weaknesses, and concluding with a complimentary report. If after reading this you sense any oversight, kindly use the contact form to bring it to my attention. Let's cut to the chase and dive into the overview. Embarking on this review, ask yourself if you desire to last longer than 20 minutes in bed. If the answer is yes, this is for you. This program elucidates the mechanics of ejaculation on command. Lloyd Lester, the program's creator, presents a collection of step-by-step, effective techniques designed to prolong your time in bed and bring unprecedented joy. These techniques aim to retrain your brain, dispelling the fear of premature ejaculation. Having personally tested these methods, I can vouch for their efficacy. Even my partner was astounded as I effortlessly extended our intimate moments to 5 to 15 minutes non-stop. Here's a glimpse of what you'll learn. 9 specific techniques to rewire your mind and eliminate ejaculation fears. A secret technique controlling your climax, providing sustained pleasure to your partner. 4 powerful breathing techniques, allowing you to extend your performance up to 5 minutes before ejaculation. A stamina-enhancing hot button technique seemingly giving you the endurance of Superman. This program goes beyond building confidence. It's about driving your partner wild in bed and entering a realm of shared joy. Lloyd Lester, a seasoned expert in overcoming premature ejaculation, has authored best-selling guides like Erection by Command and Ignite Her Orgasm. His program Orgasm by Command focuses on teaching men the art of satisfying their partners. Lloyd's expertise is not only acknowledged by industry figures, like Shauna recommended Lenny O'Neill of Two Girls Teach Sex, but is also backed by scientific research. His program is rooted in proven and effective techniques employed by many adult film actors to control ejaculation. Moreover, Lloyd's commitment is evident in the 60-day money-back guarantee, underscoring his confidence in the program. Your privacy is safeguarded with discreet billing on your credit card statement. For someone seeking a single technique, the wealth of information may seem overwhelming. These practical techniques are meant for individuals serious about overcoming premature ejaculation. To sweeten the deal, Lloyd offers free bonuses, including the secret of G-Spot Orgasm Report. With a 60-day money-back guarantee, the program becomes risk-free. In conclusion, Ejaculation on Command stands out as a genuinely practical program for combating premature ejaculation and fostering longer-lasting intimacy. If you aspire to be a remarkable lover for your partner bringing unparalleled joy, I wholeheartedly recommend this program.